Discover how to leverage reviews and ratings to find the best vacation rental in the USA. Learn effective strategies from El Livo, the leading vacation rental agency, to enhance your travel experience. Finding the perfect vacation rental can be daunting with countless options available. Reviews and ratings are powerful tools to identify the best rentals that meet your needs. We'll explore how to use reviews and ratings to find the ideal accommodation through El Livo. Understand the importance of reviews, navigate El Livo's system, and make informed decisions. In the digital age, reviews serve as social proof, influencing travelers' decisions. According to Bright Local, 91% of consumers read online reviews before booking. Reviews offer insights into the property's quality, host's reliability, and overall experience. They help gauge authenticity, assess quality, and identify red flags. A host's responsiveness to feedback is crucial for service expectations. Positive reviews reflect excellent hospitality and professionalism. At El Livo, we prioritize trust and transparency. Our platform ensures all reviews are from verified guests, reducing fake feedback. Only guests who booked through Livo can leave a review, ensuring honesty. Livo's review system evaluates accuracy, communication, cleanliness, location, check-in, and value. Examine these criteria to form a comprehensive view of what to expect. Consider the most recent reviews for the current state of the property. Look for patterns in guest feedback for valuable insights. Hosts who respond to reviews show commitment to guest satisfaction. Livo offers advanced search filters to help you find the best vacation rentals. Filter by rating and sort by reviews to narrow down options. Save and compare your top choices with wish lists and comparison tools. Reach out to hosts with questions to clarify details and gauge responsiveness. Align reviews with your priorities. Minor issues for one guest may not affect you. Look for properties verified by Livo for added assurance. Livo offers more than just accommodations, including airport pickup and local guides. Livo promotes sustainable tourism with eco-friendly options and community support. After your stay, share your experience to help future travelers. Provide honest and constructive feedback, highlighting specific aspects you loved or areas for improvement. Using reviews and ratings effectively can enhance your vacation rental search. With El Livo's transparent and user-friendly platform, accessing reliable information is easy. Analyze feedback and utilize Livo's features to book with confidence. Start your journey today by visiting the Livo homepage or sign up to explore the best vacation rentals in the USA. Credits narration by David Attenborough. Script based on content from Livo.